So we haven't had a lot of time to record videos this last week. With everything going on, we've been super busy here at the shop, so...
And Kylie thinks it's okay to take vacation days. Who is she?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
So this is me screwing up a lot, and Jen screwing up a little.
Not much. I'm perfect.
Enjoy.
Forgive you.
Son of a... Struggle bus.
I don't know about my future.
Hey guys, welcome back to All You Need to Know in 90 Seconds.
Connor forgot my part. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Hey! Right? You don't need to say my name every take either.
Yeah, it's my fault. It's because I'm setting you up, and that's why I told you. I don't want to set you up. So what can you tell us about the takedown? I'm setting you up.
Yeah, that tool is a flathead screwdriver.
It's not. We need you to move that closer. Hey Jen, 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 hey Jen.
As if the person sitting next to you has changed 15 times. Hey guys, Jennifer and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
Hey Jen.
Yeah. What are you doing?
You should put it here.
They both have drumsticks.
And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
About bad laugh jokes.
This is all you need to know.
And multiple people have asked us to do the All You Need to Know series on the P10C.
Sorry, I was thinking about how you said multiple.
It makes follow-up shots effortless.
No, don't say it makes.
Let's do it, let's do it.
He's just mad that he can't get it.
You're absolutely right, and it pisses me off to no end. Along with a short positive reset, it makes you. God, I hate it. Now the P10C has a nitron-coated steel slide. Now this is something that is going to come into effect with you me. Stainless, stainless, it's stainless, it's stainless, it's stainless, it's stainless, it's stainless, it's stainless.
Steel.
Stainless.